Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So I got me some beanies coming. JJ Carson advice beanies. I bought like 5 of them. I got a mic coming. It's a creator type mic. We're gonna have crispy audio. We're gonna start having more stuff. Start promoting the brand more. Question for the day is: if you could visit one place, where would it be? Me, I want to visit Africa. Just want to visit. So that's one place on my list that I plan on visiting probably within the next year or two, somewhere in there. But let me know in the comment section where your place you want to visit. So make sure you smash the like button, drop the comment, and let's get to the video. So this video, I'm not trying to go make it too long. It's probably going to be fairly short video. But let me know in the comment section below after you do the first part, after you like the video, and do the second part. So that's why I'll be doing 2 things. I want 2 comments. I want a like and 2 comments out of everybody if you can while you're watching the video. And I appreciate everybody that's watching the videos. If you can just like comment anything, it doesn't matter if it's just like a thumbs up, because liking a video and just any comment on the video, doesn't matter if it's a thumbs up, don't matter if it's just a period or exclamation point, something that I can just like myself and respond to. Even if you just comment on every video, if you're watching the video, if you can just comment, if you don't have like anything that you want to answer, any questions, or doesn't any other question, don't can you just comment just the initials of where you're from, like if you're from Texas, TX or OK or NY, just comment that on every video if you're watching. I will really appreciate that. It will mean a lot because it'll help kick these videos up in the algorithm and help them grow. I'm going to start doing more short videos, but I'm going to leave all the shorts to Saturday and Sunday. So I am going to post 5 videos a week, and I'm going to just post shorts on Saturday and Sunday. So it's going to be 3 shorts on Saturday and probably 2 shorts on Sunday. And that's just going to be a recap of everything that happened through the week. But I'll probably post the shorts throughout the week on my other platforms, but they'll probably on YouTube, they'll just be on here to just give you a recap of the week. So enough of all the talking. This video is going to be about me. I'm going to start either a group chat, it's a group me, or a Discord. I believe it's basically just like a chat room but I'll be like the host. I'm gonna try to get a chat. It's gonna be a Discord, a group me. I'm not gonna do a Facebook group because I know everybody's not always on social media, but group me is something, it's an app that you can download on your phone. We're gonna go either group me or Discord, but I'll know more about next week. I'll figure out which one I want to go next week. It's gonna be a car selling and car buying and just car buying Discord. That's all it's gonna be. And I'm gonna let anybody, but if you're like talking crazy or stuff like that or anything crazy, you're gonna take it out of there. It's gonna be all about car buying, car advice, and anything. So it's gonna be me, and I'm gonna just try to find some more people that be in like to be the main people of it, that can like people that do title work, people that work at like tag agencies or DMVs, stuff like that. So we can just be something that you can be on daily. It's probably going to be Discord, just because if you have any questions, you can just call people, and you don't have to. And so people are not going to actually know your number. They can just call you through the Discord and stuff like that. But yeah, it's going to be about car buying, car advice, any new advice, just really just that. If you're like, say if you're going to go look at a car and, you want to get some advice from everybody. So everybody's going to be in the Discord. And if you can respond, if you're not busy, if you can respond to the person, I'll be doing my best to try to respond to it as quickly as possible for anybody, because I'm going to be over it. But yeah, it's going to be like, so if you want to buy and sell cars, so if you're looking at going to buy a car and you want to get advice from everybody in the Discord, just send the pictures of the advice and say how much they're trying to sell it for. And then everybody just give you their feedback. And if you're trying to sell a car, send us pictures of the car, kind of tell us what you want to plan on selling for, and we can get you helpful advice to just help people, sell more cars, make more money. You know, if it's certain detailed products, it's anything like car related. If it's somebody in your area that does installing cheap stereos, share that to the group. If it's anybody that does cheap window tint, because when you sign up, when I invite everybody to you, I want you to put your name or what you want to get called by. So I'll be JJ, you know, and I'll just put okay. You know, just put like where you're from, like your area code or whatever. You know, you can put I'll probably put JJ, and then my area code is 405. Okay. You know, Oklahoma City's area code is 405, Tulsa's like 918, and then like other ones like 580 and stuff like that. So people can know specifically where you're from, and then people will know like, oh, this person's kind of in my area, so maybe y'all can work together, you know, and stuff like that. And then you can pass on stuff like pass on mechanics, pass on detail shops, tint shops, anything, pass on anything that we can sell. We're going to just help each other sell more cars, buy more cars, make more profit. So if it's any auction that y'all go to, you know, share it to the group. Like, hey, I go to this auction. They got good deals. You know, I'm looking at buying this car. I'm looking at selling this car. What do y'all think? What do you think I can do to this car to make it sell faster? Or what would you do to this car? Or this person is selling this car and they're saying it's doing this. Can y'all give me some advice on that? So I want to have mechanics in this group, car sales, anybody that's watching the video, I want y'all to join. So when I get it set up, anybody that's watching the video, we're going to have you joining. And if you're interested in buying and selling cars, I want you to join, and I want to do my best to help y'all buy and sell cars. And even if y'all got dealer license questions, you know, if y'all have questions, just send them in there, and I'm gonna do my best. But that's all. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Y'all have a great weekend. I'll see y'all Monday with dealer license video. The guy from Arizona, he commented first, so Arizona dealer license video. Be watching out for that Monday. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I'm out. Peace.